Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming identity and device facts. Have the lost geo number, a government ID image, and the device IMEI on hand. These speed verification. Once done, call Geo customer care from a different phone or use the My Geo web form to report loss. Explain you need an immediate temporary suspension to prevent misuse, and provide the number and ID details. This prevents outgoing/incoming misuse while you prepare permanent. Next, you formally request the block and provide proof. Call the Geo helpline or start a My Geo chat, state the loss, and request SIM suspension or permanent block. Upload your ID and IMEI where they ask. This is why you prepared documents. Make sure to note the reference or complaint number they give you, because you'll need it for follow-up or to lodge a police complaint. Keep calm and confirm estimated resolution time with the agent. Finally, confirm the block and arrange next steps. Use the reference number to check status online or by calling back. Once blocked, request a replacement SIM at a Geo store with your ID or start porting if needed. If the operator delays, file a local police FIR citing the complaint reference. Providers respond faster when an FIR exists. Make sure you change passwords for linked accounts and monitor for suspicious activity. That often stops secondary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.